Hello, superhero friends, and welcome to Cosplay Comic Books. This is the comic book I got from the Fort York Library. I need to return this tomorrow. This is why I'm doing the video now. And I am playing as none other than Black Canary. Is very similar to Silk Spectre from Watchmen in the sense that both she and her mother held the mantle of Black Canary. And apparently Dinah Lance used to steal her costume to go out and fight crime when she was 16 before she was ready to. And so this goes back to show that Black Canary truly is an OG classic superhero. So I am very pleased to cosplay as Miss Black Canary for this episode of Cosplay and Comic Books.